Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I will be introducing you guys to React Native, and in this course we will be building a mobile banking application. As you can see, here is the Figma design we will be implementing using ReactNative Expo as our front end and Firebase as our back end and authentication management. This application will have all the basic banking functionalities. Users will be able to send and receive money, get notification, share transaction slips, download statements of account, and much more. This course is beginner friendly and doesn't require you to know any of the tools we will be using. But of course, you should be familiar with React Native concepts such as hooks and JavaScript as well. We will be using Tailwind for our styling. Don't worry, I will guide you through as we build this amazing project together. For those of you new to React Native, this project will be a very good way to learn and understand React Native. As we code along, some of the concepts and tools will be explained. If you're already a React Native developer, 70% of the knowledge you already know will be carried over to this project. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified when I drop this video. Thanks for watching and see you around.